Is AI being used in schools to emotionally manipulate children into accepting certain political ideologies? Well, now there are former teachers who are essentially coming out as whistleblowers. And when you look into the AI programs being used in schools, they're using facial recognition to identify student emotions. Look at this. Emotional tracking, facial recognition. And even the ones that aren't using facial recognition yet are still tracking emotional data. And they're using that data to create SEL profiles on each student, social emotional learning. So they're essentially tracking your child's empathy and levels of emotions so that AI could guide them to make what they're calling ethical decisions. And where are these ethics coming from? When you look into it, it's companies like CASEL, CASEL. And when you look into the funding, you'll find it's the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation and all the usual suspects. So they're creating behavioral profiles on each student, tracking empathy and emotions so that the AI could take that data and adjust what it's showing to each individual student until they accept what? The Bill and Melinda Gates version of ethics, or the ethics of whoever it is that's programming the AI. And there is big government money coming into this stuff as well. The Department of Education, the Institute of Education Sciences. So is it the political ethics of our politicians that our children are being emotionally guided into accepting? And when you ask AI, which is the literal technology that will be guiding our students what the end goal of SEL is, here's what it says. Become well-rounded, emotionally intelligent individuals. Foster empathy and cultural understanding and prepare students for a collaborative 21st century workforce. Act as a behavioral conditioning framework that teaches children how to feel and behave based on institutional norms. Track emotions, reward pro-social behavior, flag concerning emotions and attitudes, and create long-term behavioral profiles, standardizing emotions and behaviors, turning them into measurable data, build algorithms, justify interventions, and create early warning systems. The student becomes a perpetual data subject, and emotions are tracked like academics. Examples include embedding DEI into empathy lessons, surveys that gauge student alignment with social causes and belief systems, promoting ideas like identity, power, and justice. So it doesn't look like AI is the future of education. It's the future of indoctrination. Check out my private homeschool community. And Cubs to Bears books. ClassicalLearner.com.